What's up, my Royal Flush fam? It is I, J Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I am back for another video. And today's video is going to be a review of the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. It is their new line of foundation they just released maybe like 2 months ago. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a wear test with this foundation. It is now like freaking, let me see, it's 2:50, 3 o'clock. So I'm probably gonna be back like around like freaking 7 or 8, just to let y'all know how it looks and how it wore and different things like that. If you guys are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you will not be disappointed. Also hit that bell notification button to be notified when I upload a new video. And let's just get into this video. So I'm about to start off spraying my face with Fix Plus like I usually. So on this side, I'm going to be using a my Makeup Shack sponge, and on my other side, I'm going to be using my Makeup Shack T40 brush to buff everything out, just to see which one I prefer. I don't really color correct anymore like I used to. That's just like an extra step I don't really want to take. So yeah, so let me just apply these real quick. I'm going to use, I don't know how many pumps this, I'm gonna do the brush first on this side. And I usually just pump it right out and just apply it. Oh, I didn't tell y'all what color I am in. I'm in the color 330 Toffee Caramel. I'm usually in that color for all their foundations. Okay. Coverage there. Smells weird. I don't know that smell. I don't recognize it. Blended out really good as well. Blended out really good, actually. Oh my god. I think I might like this foundation. Jesus, this looks so good. It looks like my skin. So I did the first pump. Usually one pump is like for the side, for my face, like for my cheek area. It looks like freaking skin. I'm about to do this my upper half right now. This looks really good. Oh my god. Okay, y'all, this might be my favorite foundation. Y'all know I'm always hooked to my Melanie, but this is like my Melanie on a whole new level. Like, oh my god. I don't think I want to put another pump, or do I? Okay, I could add another pump if I wanted to, but I'm gonna add another pump just to see how this works out. So here's my second pump of it. It blended out really good. I always put my second pump on the bottom half of my face because the concealer goes under my eye and that gives the coverage down there. And I like a lot of coverage down here to cover up my discoloration. I'm about to do the other side with my Makeup Shack sponge. So, one pump. Now I'm going to do one more pump for my forehead. And one more pump for the side of my face. If y'all know me, y'all know my nose is not, oh my god. This is taking really well to my nose. My nose is usually like to tell it all, like, you know, like even my Melanie doesn't stick to my nose like this. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. So, y'all. So I'm about to finish off the rest of the face and I'll be right back.
6.5 hours hours later.
Okay guys, so it is nighttime. It is probably like around 10 o'clock at the most. When I got done with my makeup, I was filming another video. That video that I was filming will probably be up before this video is even going to be up. So when I got finished with my makeup altogether, it was like around 4 o'clock when I started. When I filmed that part, it was probably like around 1 or 2, and it's now like around 10 o'clock. So this is the foundation. It did oxidize quite a bit, but in a good way. It oxidized really in a good way, and I really like it because it actually kind of even, I don't know, like it just goes with my skin. Like, I don't know, usually like a foundation is too yellow or like too red or too orange, and this foundation is so perfect. As you know that I love my Milani Concealing Perfect foundation. This foundation is this is the color Golden Tan, but this foundation is like too yellow for me, and the next foundation after this is Amber. It's too orange on my skin tone, and no. So, but this foundation, the Super Stay foundation, the full coverage, I love this. I saw this at my job. And I was like, oh my god, I need to pick that up. So I grabbed it. Y'all, I work at Walmart, and like, y'all know how it is. Like, the customers kind of take foundations, they open them as well, and also swatch them on their arm. This is actually a swatched foundation, but I didn't really mind it because not too much was taken out of it. And it was kind of in the back as well. It looked like maybe like one person probably swatched it and then threw it back. But this is actually in my shade 330 Toffee. I'm in the shade 330 Toffee in the matte and poreless and the dewy and smooth. Or actually, I think the dewy and smooth is actually, I don't know. One of them is lighter than my skin tone in the same shade though, which I really don't understand. But yes, I really love this foundation, y'all. Like, this might be my new holy grail. Like, it really has a chance to be my holy grail foundation and overturn my Milani, which is kind of sad because I've had my Milani. I've been using Milani for like 2 years, literally almost like 2 years now. This has been my long running foundation, my number one. It never lets me down. It never lets me down, this foundation. But it's just the color matching, which is kind of hard. But this foundation is the absolute, it's an absolute bop, and y'all need to actually go get it for real. I'm not even playing. If y'all don't get it, y'all don't try it out, I will find y'all. Y'all know who y'all are. I will find y'all most definitely, okay? But yeah, so this foundation claims to be 24-hour wear. I'm not about to wear it for that long. I wore it for maybe like 6 or 7 or 8 hours at the most, and it held up pretty good. Let me do a close up, okay? So this is how my skin looks up close, as you guys can see. Yeah, so I'm looking at it right now in the mirror, and there's nothing, like, it's literally perfect. Of course, there's creasing under my eye as usual, as I told y'all in my Patrick Star review video. This looks so good, and the powder I put under my eyes today was the Patrick Star foundation. I mean, Patrick Star powder as well. But this foundation looks really amazing right now. Like, my nose, no separation on my nose, none. Oh my god. Usually my nose is fucking separated. Like with the Milani, my nose is usually separated by now. But oh my god, the only thing that I could possibly say that's wrong is my pores. My pores look really huge. My pores look really huge in this area, and that's about it. Other than that, everything looks amazing, and it just oxidized a bit. I mean, I really don't care because like it matches my neck better and my a little bit oxidized. Oh my god. But yeah guys, I really love and enjoy this foundation. Oh my god, like, well, that concludes today's video guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. It was quite interesting, like, to say, because I'm actually surprised. It's been so long since I found a foundation that actually did better than my number one, my Melanie. You know, this might actually be the best drugstore foundation, like, right now, because my Melanie was there, y'all. It was number one. But this, well, that concludes today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, do not forget to hit that subscribe button right before you leave it. Also that like button, because you will not be disappointed in my future videos. And with that, I will see you guys later.